Statistics can be calculated, viewed, and exported using options under the Set Statistics and View Statistics tabs of the Advanced Functions pull-up drawer. Once a gating analysis has been performed, a range of statistics can be viewed in the File Inspector. These include the percentage of total, percentage of parent, percentage of selected, and the event count. To view these, along with a range of other statistics that can be calculated and displayed in a table in order to be exported, firstly select the file in the File Inspector that has the gates that you want to calculate the statistics for, then open the Advanced Functions pull-up drawer and select the Set Statistics tab. And you will see the selected file listed here in the Populations column. The next step is simply to tick the boxes corresponding to the statistic and the population that you wish to calculate statistics for. In this case, I will calculate the event count and some percentage of parent statistics for these populations. In addition to calculating the percentage of parent, in the column immediately to the right is the ability to calculate the percentage of selected. This enables the calculation of one population as a percentage of any other population in the hierarchy. To perform this calculation, click in the cell within this column that corresponds to the population in the left-hand column, and from the drop-down list, choose the population that you want this to be calculated as a percentage of. This result will also be displayed in the File Inspector. Once the selection has been made in the Set Statistics tab, to view the results, click on the View Statistics tab, and these will be displayed in a table. In order to calculate parameter-based statistics, return to the Set Statistics tab, highlight the population, and then in the parameter window, select the specific statistics linked to that parameter that you wish to calculate. If I now return to the View Statistics tab, you will see that these additional stats have been calculated. The table can easily be updated or adjusted by returning to the Set Statistics tab and changing the selection. This selection of statistics is now saved with this specific gating hierarchy, and so if I copy these gates and paste them to the other files in the list, you will see that the same statistics will be calculated for every file that the gates are pasted onto. If the gates are pasted onto the samples prior to calculating the statistics, calculate the statistics for one sample. Then, in the View Statistics tab, highlight the row where the statistics have been calculated, right-click, and select Copy Settings, then highlight the remaining samples in the table, right-click, and select Paste Settings. This table itself can be exported by right-clicking, choosing Export, and either Copy Statistics or Save Statistics, and this lets you save the data as either a .csv file or a .xlsx file. All calculated statistics can be cleared by right-clicking in the File Inspector, choosing Delete, and Delete All Statistics, and you'll see this will clean up the whole table in the View Statistics tab and all selections in the Set Statistics tab. If samples are placed in a group and statistics calculated for one sample, then the same statistics will automatically be calculated for all samples in the group. So here, if I calculate the event counts for these populations in sample 1, you will see it will automatically be calculated for all samples in the group. And likewise, if I update the selection to choose a new statistic, the table will automatically be updated for all samples. An advantage of group analysis is that moving a gate on one sample will update the gate on all samples and subsequently all statistics. To add this table to a report in DocLogic, firstly add it to the GraphLogic spreadsheet by selecting the Statistics tab at the top of the File Navigator and dragging the relevant statistics into the spreadsheet. Once imported, the table can be formatted and modified. For example here, I want to add the first two columns to my report, so I will copy and paste these to a different part of the spreadsheet, and then drag the selected table into the table folder. Now in DocLogic, I can select the GraphLogic tab at the top of the File Navigator and drag the Statistics table folder directly into the report.